Well, fellas, I have come up with an idea. I was at Harbor Freight earlier and we found something that might be kind of fun. So, this is episode 2 of Pimp My Grom kicking off right here. So, Harbor Freight is currently closed right now, so we're going to get to work on it as much as we can till tomorrow. I'm going ahead and take that boulder loose. You're probably going to be able to figure out what it is. Also wanted to point out, you guys remember the off-road Grom episode? Yeah, we've got some battle scores. We got some battle scores. That was such a good episode, but I wish I would have had battery life to record the rest of it because it was way better than what you guys saw. Well, fellas, you'll have to excuse how dirty the car is, but we got it. So what this is like the old style horns where it does the Ooga sound. We're putting it on the Grom, dudes. This is gonna be sick. We're about to take it home right now. Well, fellas, we got the horn now on the ground, and we're about to fab up a bracket to fit on here, and it's about to be awesome. I can't wait. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. So what we're thinking about currently doing is we're going to use this bolt right here to hold on a bracket which we're making so that we can hold it on. We kept running into clearance issues. Like, you're not going to be able to see it right now, but whatever the forks go down, it's hitting this little front fender right here, and we're scared it's going to crack it. But Mr. David's in there grinding away, making the bracket, and I'm out here being useless, so I'm about to go in there and see what we can do. Check it out, fellas. We got the Ooga horn mounted. Oh, dude, this is about to be so cool. We got to run some wires because that's where our horn is, and it doesn't quite reach with the ones that we got from Harbor Freight. So we're about to make something happen. All right, fellas, we got the first start of the horn. You ready?
Yeah, absolutely. Hell yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
It almost looks like a breather.
It actually doesn't look bad. You know they make a Honda Grom car horn now, right? Really? Yeah. Hey, yeah. About to go get some footage of it.
Is it recording now?
Yeah. Heck yeah. Yes, sir.
I found the record button.
We're about to back her down so we can do it. Hey guys, you ready?
Wait,
Ready.
it's not recording, it's not recording.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh
That is
my
so
God.
loud.
Oh, I love it.
Now you gotta drive down there to see how loud it is.
I'll go like way on down there. You can hear it.
Yeah, let's see. Oh my God. Oh man.
Sounds like a toy.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a toy. Oh my gosh.
He's going down. He's about to test it out for me.
Ready?
Dude, that's great.
Why does it sound like a boat?
It's kind of funny. Here he comes. Dude, that's great. Oh, I love it. Alright, fellas, we're about to go to the front of the neighborhood and we're gonna set the horn off and see if David and Ethan can hear it back at the house. It's probably about, I'd say like a quarter of a mile to the front of the neighborhood, but this thing is super loud, dude. Like, I wish the camera would do it justice. Let's see. I'm probably never gonna be able to come back here. Ooh, had a little backfire. Let's see. I gotta get going after this. Let's see here. No clutch up wheelie. It was just a baby wheelie though. Alright fellas, let's do the driving test. Y'all ready for this? That's so funny. I kinda love it. Alright fellas, the real question is, can we do a first gear clutch up and do it at the same time? I don't know, probably not. Probably because of my coordination, but let's see. Ah, I messed up. I tried. We had us a little baby wheelie there. Well, I don't suppose anybody's around. We'll kind of slow her down once we get to the straightaway. I'm still kind of new to doing wheelies, so bear with me here. Let's see. I kind of hit it. We tried. Alright, that's all I wanted to see. I'll pick up whenever we get back to the house. Well, fellas, I didn't feel like having to break out my GoPro and the mic setup and everything, but I figured I'd go on ahead and show you how everything's set up over here. You know, we got our little bracket that we made earlier installed, and got our wires ran up all nice and neat underneath this fairing right here, and then just ties in right there to where the horn was. But anyways, if you guys liked the video, you know, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, goodbye.